What's up guys, Vic Benjamin is here and I want to welcome you guys to the 30s channel. This is our first official 30s vlog and today we have G-Raw here and Smiley. Your shot. And basically what we're going to be doing is pretty much showing you guys all the kind of installs that we're going to be doing for our cars and, you know, getting them show ready and like meets and all that good stuff. Today's project, we're working on my car, installing the diffuser, and there's some modifications that we got to do, so that's why G-Raw and Smiley are here. So right now what we're doing, we're taking off all the wooden pieces from my truck, so we have access to the outside of the bumper by drilling into it. So
let's get to it.
I think that goes in the car. Damn. From Poland. This thing came from Poland. I don't know that's how Okay guys, so right now we have mounted the diffuser. We're just trying to figure out where to put all the screws, all the holes, all the brackets and everything. A little bit complicated. We have to modify the current diffuser and the bumper and everything, but we're gonna make it work. So this is how it's gonna sit-ish. We're still missing the light. We're gonna put that on, and the winglets as well. So we're gonna start doing that right now. What we're doing is we're cutting the diffuser so we can put in the brake light in here that's gonna sit inside of the diffuser. So G-Raw's cutting into the bumper and the diffuser. Update guys, the diffuser is on for the most part. Now we're just trying to, well, Smiley is trying to put on the winglet. He's doing all the dirty work, unfortunately. But we're almost done, not quite, but once it's done we'll show you guys how it looks complete. We're not going to put on the light today, but we'll put it on just for display, and it looks pretty good so far. Alright guys, so here it is, the finished-ish product. We haven't put in the brake light, but I mean, not bad. All provided by Smiley. He did all the dirty work. Fire! Sheesh!
Alright guys, so this is gonna do it for today's vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and shout out to Smiley for coming through and helping us out.